Good morning, all of you. So, in this video, this is a new lesson for you. We are going to discuss changes around us. So, changes. What do you mean by changes? Change. Okay, sometimes we used to say, no, that if I could change the world, I would do like this. Okay, like yes, we do not have magical powers to see to change the world, but yes, but still we can change few things around us, isn't it? And some things, if you see, they are taking place in our day to day life. Which are the things that are changing in our day to day life? So what you can do, you can take, here you have to observe a lots of things. So you can take examples of the crops in the field. Okay, so I am helping you, but you can observe by yourself. This is not too hard to observe the things. This is all the things that are happening in our day to day life. Okay, so you can take examples of the crops. Okay, crops in the field, from small to big, or you can take examples from the seed to a plant. Okay, these are the changes happening day to day life. So you can take examples of the leaves. Okay, how leaves fall down, then the leaves change colors. Okay, then once it when it dry out, then again it changes color, like green to yellow, isn't it? So these are the changes happening all the time around us. Then you can take examples of your body parts. Okay, if you see the nails, okay, after some day, what you have to do, you have to cut your nails because the nails grow. Your weight increases as you grow, isn't it? Then your hair grow, you have to grows, then you have to cut the hair. So all these are the things that are changes around us in our day to day life. But there are many other examples. If you observe, when you observe, you can write it down in your notebook. Okay, then we will see uh, can all chains always be reversed? Reverse, suppose we are we wish to change something. Okay, you can take, okay, let's see, here you can take examples. This is a good example you can take. Suppose you are planning to make a toy aeroplane from the piece of paper. Okay, this activity you have to do. And what you will do? You have to take the piece of paper, then you have to fold it like that to make a toy aeroplane, isn't it? Then what you will do? You will have loads of fun in flying this aeroplane, isn't it? Then once you are tired, suppose today you are tired, then when you are tired, what you, if you wish, okay, if you wish, can you unfold the paper again like this? Therefore it is called that, can all the changes always be reversed? Okay, can this aeroplane be reversed into a paper? You have to write by yourself. You have to observe. You do this activity today, and you will write what are the changes you can see. This is the first activity you have to do because it is very easy. Okay, you are doing it from your childhood, so you have to do. Now let's see, there are other activities also. Okay, I am showing the first activity. This is the balloon. What you have to do, you have to take a balloon and then you have to blow it. Okay, then you have to take care, because most of the time you are more excited, so you have to take care so that it does not burst. Okay, so what you will observe, the shape and the size of the balloon have changed or not. Okay, suppose at first the balloon is like that, like a rubber, then once you blow, then it changes its size and shapes. So because why, we know that the air escapes inside the balloon. Okay, so can this balloon be reversed again? Okay, can these changes always be reversed? Now you can take one more activity, that is you what you have to do, you have to take some dough. Okay, and you have to make a ball like this. Okay, then you have to uh, try to roll out a roti. You have to try to roll out a roti. uh, and maybe it may happen that you are not happy with the shape at first. Okay, and then what you have to do, you want to wish that you wish to change it into a bowl of dough again. Is it possible to do or not? Okay, once you roll out a roti, if it is not if you are not happy with its shape, then would you like to, okay, would you like to change a roti, change this roll of roti um, into a bowl of dough? Okay, so is this change can be reversed? Okay, these are the activity. The main thing you have to see that these changes are can be reversed or not. Okay, then this is the next first activity we have done, and here in this table 6.1, these are some common changes. Okay, what you have to do, these common changes, this is mentioned in the table, then you have to observe it, and you have to just write that is this change can be reversed or not. All the changes we can see from our day-to-day life. So you can take help from your mom. Okay, then you will fill this table. So the first one is raw eggs to boil eggs. So raw eggs to boil egg, can we change raw to boil, and boil egg to raw eggs? Boil, okay, we know that raw to boil is possible. Yes, once we boil, then it is possible. But again, from the boil eggs, can you reverse this to a raw egg? Okay, so if you can, then you will write yes, or if you can't, then you will write no. So this way, these are the changes like butter to idli, or idli to butter. Okay, then wet clothes to dry clothes. Again, dry clothes to, see, this is most interesting, wet clothes to dry clothes, then dry clothes to wet clothes. So is this possible? This way you have to fill this table. This chapter is very interesting because all the things you just have to observe properly, then you will understand better. And if you just try to memorize all the things, then it is not possible to learn. Okay, you have to observe a lot. So try to observe the things that are discussed, all the activity that are discussed, you try to do by yourself. Okay, next we will discuss. Thank you.